MI-8033 Electric Standing Desk Base with Single Motor Installation. On a flat and open section of the floor, position the leg and crossbar in the configuration shown here. Then, using the provided bolts, tighten the two parts together using a 5mm hex wrench. Repeat the process to assemble the leg with the motor crossbar. Ensure that the side plates are orientated as shown. Attach the side plate to the legs using the provided bolts and tighten the bolts using the 5mm hex wrench until they are secure. Attach the feet to the legs using the provided bolts and tighten them down until secure. Insert the connector into each end of the crossbar as shown. Before attaching the transmission rod, measure the height of the right and left desk legs to see if they are set at the same level. If not, the leg without the motor will need to be adjusted to match the height of the other leg with the motor. Insert the transmission rod into the hole in the leg and turn the rod by hand to bring it to the same level as the other. Turn the rod counterclockwise to lower the leg, or clockwise to raise it. Ensure the transmission rod is properly inserted into the hole in the left leg. Extend the rod to connect the other end to the motor drive shaft on the right desk leg. Secure the transmission rod to the motor drive shaft by turning the set screw clockwise. Then, tighten the coupling nut to fine-tune the fit of the transmission rod. Attach the 10 rubber pads to the top of the frame in the locations shown here. Turn the leg frame over and carefully place it upside down on the desktop. Adjust the width of the frame and rod until it is suitable for the desktop. Then, tighten the crossbars to the connector using the provided bolts and tighten them down until they're secure. Attach the desk frame to the desktop using the provided screws, then tighten them until they're secure. Using the provided screws, attach the control panel to the location as shown. Connect the power lines by plugging the motor into the controller, then plugging the controller into the wall. Attach the cable clips to the underside of the desk as needed. It is recommended that they be placed approximately in the middle of each length of wire to prevent the cords from hanging too low. Flip the desk assembly over and connect the power adapter to a wall outlet.